Okay, so we have, let's make this our ground. Let's say our leveling stick is here. Now we know, let's say this is our benchmark, all right? So that's our benchmark. And we already know that elevation, right? The elevation of our benchmark is, let's say, 250 feet, right? Now, we place our stick here, we have our level up here. Our level is looking back at the benchmark, back at the stick, so that is our back sight, right? Let's say we read that to be, well, I don't know, 3 feet. I'm going to keep with easy numbers now. So now we know the elevation is 250. We know that we're looking at a place of 3 feet above that. So the height of our instrument, our HI here, is always going to be the previous elevation, which was our benchmark, plus the back sight, right? Plus back sight. So in this case, the height of the instrument is going to be 253 feet. And that's from sea level, and I'm taking the bottom here as sea level. Now if we look forward, let's say place our stick in a new place, look forward at that stick with the level in the same place. This is our foresight, right? Now if we look at this and say that this is, let's say, 1 foot, and our foresight is now 1 foot, we don't know what this elevation is, but that's what we need to figure out, right? That elevation is going to be whatever your height of your instrument, which we do know, which is 253, right, minus what you saw for the foresight. So that would give us the elevation itself. Yep, class is over. I got to make this quick. All right, so that would give us the elevation at this point. The height of the instrument minus what you just measured gives us this. So if we were at 253, our foresight's 1 foot, that would give us an elevation of 252 feet. Now, I'm going to move this stuff. If you want to move your level again, so let's say you place your level up here, right? You're at a new elevation. Now you're looking back at the same point. Let's say call this point A. You're still looking back at point A. The back sight for that, let's say you read this to be 6 feet. So if you read that to be 6 feet, now you know this elevation. This was our ground. This is our sea level. You're looking at the back sight, right? You established that elevation from the previous foresight that you made. So now the height of your instrument, which is new, because you've moved it to a different place, is going to be the previous elevation plus the back sight that you just made at point A. All right, so we were at 252, which means 252, that's the previous elevation, plus the 6 feet that we just sighted from our back sight. So now the new height of your instrument is 258. And you're going back and forth between back sight, foresight, always establishing a new height of instrument, and then a new elevation, and then a new height of instrument, and then a new elevation each time.